Please stay seated until the tram has come to a full and complete stop. Please keep all heads and hands inside of the cab. Please be sure to keep all kids' heads, kids' hands inside of the cab.
It could make you very tipsy, make you feel like a gypsy.
Hello everyone, welcome to our beautiful island, Castaway Cay. In just a few short minutes, we'll be arriving at Scuttle's Cove Tram Stop. You should disembark here for Scuttle's Cove Children Program Area, Monstro Point Famous Whale Skeleton Day, Castaway Race Stingray Adventure, watercraft rentals, gills, fins and boats, snorkel rental, and she sells seashells and everything else for shopping. As a reminder, lunch is served between 11:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. at two locations, Cookies Barbecue and Cookies 2. Please remember to drink lots of water and use your sunscreen. Now please remain seated until the tram has come to a complete stop. Again, welcome to Disney's Castaway Cay. Have a great day, and remember to listen for the ship's whistle. It will signal the final tram. See you later, and have fun.
Please stay seated until the tram has come to a full and complete stop. Gather all your belongings and take small children by the hand. Lower your head and watch your step as you disembark. Thank you and have a magical day.
Everyone, we're now approaching Scuttle's Cove Tram Stop. For those who are continuing on to Pelican Point or Serenity Bay, please stay on board the tram. Pelican Point or Serenity Bay, please stay on board the tram. Full and complete stop. Please keep all heads and hands inside of the cab. Please be sure to keep all kids' heads, kids' hands inside of the cab. Thank you.
In a few minutes, we'll be arriving at our final destination, right in the heart of paradise, Pelican Point Tram Stop. Here you will find Family Beach and the Snorkeling Lagoon, Edza Bar, Sandbar, Pelican's Lunch, our exciting water slide, Spring a Leak, our freshwater play area, flippers and floats for snorkel and float rental, bicycle rounds to explore our bike trails and observation tower. In the shade games, hair braiding, Bahamian retail for local arts and crafts, by the seashore for shopping, hideout trains only, beach cabanas number 1 through 21, and Olaf Summertime Freeze for our delicious food. As a reminder, lunch is served between 11:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. at two locations, Cookies Barbecue and Cookies 2. Please remember to drink lots of water and use your sunscreen. For guests continuing to Serenity Bay, please wait at Pelican Point Tram Stop. The tram to Serenity Bay will be along shortly. Please remain seated until the tram comes to a complete stop. Again, welcome to Disney's Castaway Cay. Have a great day.
Please stay seated until the tram has come to a full and complete stop. Gather all your belongings and take small children by the hand. Lower your head and watch your step as you disembark. Thank you and have a magical day.
Everyone, we're now approaching Pelican Point Tram Stop. For those who are continuing on to Serenity Bay to Adults Beach, please wait at this tram stop for the next tram.
As we make our way to Serenity
5K. You go around in like circles.
Lunch is served at Vincent Barbecue between 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. Be sure to visit Castaway Bar for your favorite island refreshments, including the famous hot food. You can also visit the Vincent Bar for riding floats and for the water, or ride a bike to explore our bike trails. On the bike trail, you'll find our observation tower. Climb the tower for a great view of the island through the binoculars on the upper deck. The massage cabins are another wonderful feature on this part of the island. If you haven't reserved a massage yet, then check in with the massage reception. For those of you that have rental beach cabanas that are ready to spend the night, please check it out. That's right in the entrance. Now, please remain seated until the town comes to a full stop.
Please stay seated until the tram has come to a full and complete stop. Gather all your belongings and take small children by the hand. Lower your head and watch your step as you disembark. Thank you and have a magical day.
Step aboard and slide all the way across the sea. Ensure you get one that inside your lap. Remember,
It's like a thriller. It's on. It's like. I think what it was. Zoe Kravitz, like directed it, and Channing Tatum's main character is the bad guy. Yeah, it's called Blink Twice. It's on Amazon. It's really good. It is. I look like a show mystery, you know?
You have me sold on Chase.
Me jabba no bother.
This is an airstrip.
Yeah.
We're a boat plane.
Tita Mishka Jabba the Hutt.
Don't forget to apply more sunscreen. Plenty of water. Now, please remain seated until the tram comes to a complete stop. We really hope that you will have a good time. Now, remember, when the ship is trouble, if it's too much
Please stay seated until the tram has come to a full and complete stop. Gather all your belongings and take small children by the hand. Lower your head and watch your step as you disembark. Thank you and have a magical day.
Remember,
Oh, it's like a basketball thing.
the next tram approaching will not stop.
You wanna get off and go look around?